Now here's how you can start making money on YouTube without making videos yourself really, as well as possibly making money from day one, your first video. So the plan is the first thing that we'll be looking at are the keywords that we can actually rank for as a brand new YouTube channel. And once we have that and the ideas around that, the next thing we'll be looking at is creating a video script. And I will walk through how you can get that done automatically. Yes, that word is video script. And after we've done that in just a few clicks, the next thing we'll do is create the video automatically, also in just a few clicks. So if that sounds good, but you also think that I should work on my handwriting, then be sure to subscribe so that you can see if my handwriting will improve in future videos. Now I've did some videos so far in the health niche about making money on YouTube while you're melting ice creams. Even this one where you can make some money with solar energy. But what about this other challenge that a lot of people struggle with? Getting out of debt, paying off debt, living a debt-free life, which is essentially in the personal finance niche. And this is one that I'm particularly interested in. Just like all of the people that have been looking at these videos, wanting to know things like the fastest way to pay off debt, easy steps to get out of debt, or maybe tips to become debt-free. Not only does the personal finance niche have a high CPM, but there are also a lot of high-paying affiliate products that we will get into in a little bit. Now, as we get into the first thing, well, actually, this is the second thing. What I'd use first is a tool called vidIQ that I use all of the time, not only to get video ideas, but the keywords that I can possibly rank well as a very small channel. And in this case, a brand new channel. Search up personal finance. You know what? Let's be more specific. Search up debt-free, because that is what we were just talking about. And what I like to do is use this overall score here, because by having the higher number, it filters the stuff that has very low competition, as well as high search volume. Then grab ideas from the top results over here. Debt-free journey. Now, all of the tools that I mentioned in this video, there is a link in the description for you to get immediate access to them. And you can start all of the tools for free. However, there are paid versions where you have more features to use. And this is one of them. But you do have options for free without using a tool like this. And that's just using YouTube. Let's say you were searching how to become debt-free. And what do you know? The first result below that is debt-free journey. So this is something here that you can see people are actually searching for. But to find out if it even makes sense to pursue this keyword, let's click it and have a look. If the number one spot in the results here has only 1,000 subscribers, then there's a good chance that if you make a good video on this, you could possibly rank in the top 10 results. And if you look in the top 10 results here, not only are there channels that are under 10,000 subscribers, but there's also a channel that is 620 subscribers. So based on that alone, we're going to proceed with this debt-free journey keyword. So now that this is covered, the next thing we're going to look at is the script. And I will definitely be using Jasper AI to create the script automatically. And you know, you don't have to use this. You could come up with this script on your own. I just prefer not to, because I'm not an expert copywriter, as well as this might speed up the process by like 10 times faster. Anyway, to get started, I would come over to the left-hand side here and hit New Document. And then even though it's not a blog post, I would hit Blog Post Workflow. So as I start to describe the content that I want to create here, it's about having a debt-free journey. That's the keyword that we're going to rank for. So tips to have a debt-free journey. After you hit save, you're then taken to the title, where I decided to use this one. And this could possibly be the YouTube video title. If you don't like the first one it generates, you could just hit generate ideas to get more ideas. But it's up to you. Next, you're going to automatically get some intro paragraph ideas, which would mean the opening of the video at the beginning to grab the attention of the viewer. If you don't like all of these options, you could always hit generate more ideas to get more options. I like this one with some minor modification required. So I'll just hit use this one. Open the editor. The only change I would make in this is instead of in this blog post, I would say in this video. That looks great, so I'll just hit compose next. To continue writing this video script, the first step is to create a budget and stick to it. Let's continue. Compose again. Now while Jasper comes up with the information by actually doing the research and sounds much better than I can probably write it, we can also do this. Starting for the second tip. Just searching in Google for an article on tips to have a debt-free journey. Like this one right here, where we can actually take one of the tips here, not taking all of the content, just the headline, just the tip, copying it. And back in Jarvis, second tip is to, and we then paste the next tip here. And then hit compose. You could also choose the output length as longer. Based on what we've just seen on Google, this information is relevant. So I'll just hit compose to continue this video script. So a fail-proof way of creating content that is not only relevant like the stuff in this article here, but it's also original. And that's by using something like Jasper AI to create that original content. I would just repeat the process by using tips on a website like this, or maybe going on a different article here and repeating the process to create the video script. And when it's completed, I would then create a new Google Doc, paste it into here, and of course check it over and make sure everything sounds good. And once that is done, we're then on to the final step, which is to actually create the video, but automatically. Grab all of the text for that video script, copy it, then head over to this tool called InVideo, which you can also try out for free with my link in the description below. Sign up for free and then come over to this text to video option. Choose white since that is the format for YouTube videos. And after browsing, simply choose a format that is somewhat suitable to the video concept that you had in mind. Now, not only am I using this to create the videos automatically, but it's to use these text features as well. Hit use this template, paste the script right into here. You'll have to make sure and separate some of the sentences here so that it can easily identify and separate some of the different scenes. Grab the headline that we came up with, paste it into there, and make sure and check this box to auto-suggest images and videos because that's why we're here, right? Then hit next. And in just a few seconds, it's ready to go, breaking down each of the different lines here into different scenes. So all you have to do here now is make sure that the footage or the photo is relevant to the script. If it's not, you can just find different content on the left-hand side here, or you could choose to upload it yourself. Then it's just a matter of dragging and dropping it over here into the scene. Now, this is in the storyboard mode, but you can also go and hit the advanced editor, where you can do a lot more editing. Now, this part is really important, the voiceover. You can either upload the voiceover yourself by recording your voice, but what InVideo has is this automated text-to-speech option, which sounds good, but not as good as an actual human voiceover.
Hope you are having a great time making your video.
So if you decide to use that, just hit generate voiceover when you're done. And after reviewing the entire video, you then come up to the top right-hand side here and hit download. And once you have your exported video, what you have to do next is simply create your YouTube channel if you didn't do so already. Come up here, hit create, upload video. The first thing here to do is to give it a title. Remember, we're using this keyword here that we found using the vidIQ tool that not only has very low competition, but also has high search volume. And using the keyword here, debt-free journey, Jasper AI helps us to come up with this title. So copy that and paste in your title right here. Now remember, I did say there's a way to make money from day one. And how we can do that, providing that it's actually going to be a good video. We would be able to rank in the first top 10 results because it's low competition. But we're not going to use YouTube AdSense to immediately start making money because there's requirements. And if it's a new channel, of course, you don't meet that. So after searching up in Google for debt-free related affiliate programs, I stumbled upon this article from Authority Hacker that has a list of affiliate programs with all of the information that you need in this one article right here. These affiliate products are going to be very much related to the type of video that you created, which is on tips on becoming debt-free. And some of these tools here provide assistance on things like how to keep track of any bad debts that could impact the overall credit score, where you can earn up to $100 per sale if somebody purchases it through your affiliate link, as well as a product like this one, which is a debt settlement service provider, whereby they would approach the people that you owe money to and negotiate with them in such a way that you only have to pay a fraction of your original debt. Not you, but your audience who's looking at the video that you created. But if you make that connection between the two people via those videos that you created, and they click this affiliate link and decided to invest in somebody who can help them with that, then you could earn $325 per sale. So you have keywords in a title that can help you to rank even on your brand new YouTube channel. You created the video script automatically as well as creating the video automatically. Now there's a really important step next, which determines if somebody actually sees your videos or not. And that's by making sure that you have thumbnails that encourages somebody to click on them. So check this video out next, where I review a thumbnail that actually performed well and got a lot of clicks. And I also show you how you can recreate something similar yourself using a free tool. So check that out next.